Hello everyone, this is Deepika Delan, a life skill coach and a public speaking skill trainer. So you are watching me. I have top 3 secrets how your child becomes so confident, how your child becomes successful in life, how your child becomes happy all the time. So we all have that wish that our child should be successful, happy, and can achieve all the desire whatsoever the child wants, right? So for that I share 3 top secrets. The first one is share the positivity with your child. Yes, the more you share the positive things with the child gets positive all the time. You are not supposed to say any negative thing to the child, or do not share negativity in any stage, like in any situation, circumstances, or whatsoever the situation is. Don't share the negative thing about that. Just show the positive side of everything, about the personality of the child also. The child can be good or bad in any of the habit, but you have to share the positive for the child. The second thing you can do is sharing a moral story. Yes, while we are sharing a moral story, we are adding the value in child's life. When the child is going to sleep, you can share any moral story, or whenever you have the time to sit along with the child and share something which gives a child a motivation, which inspire a child. Any successful story also you can share with your child. So these 2 tips are so important. You can do easily with that, right? And the third thing you can do is focus upon the strength of the child. Yes, we all know that we all have some weaknesses, we all have some fears, but we all have some strength. So we have to focus upon the strength of the child, and when we focus more on the strength becomes more powerful. So you have to focus upon the strength, not to the weakness. जिस बारे में आप जितना ज़्यादा बात करते हो वो चीज़ और ज़्यादा पावरफुल होती है. So in that way, just talk about the positive things, about the good values, and about the strength. This is how you can add more value in life, and this is the way the mindset of the child will build up, and it will become strong. Whenever there is any kind of situation, your child becomes strong. So this is how you can share the things with your child, and one day your child becomes a very successful person, right? Thank you so much for listening me.